In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Claude Desktop at startup in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful setting if you want Claude to launch automatically when your computer turns on, or if you'd rather keep it closed until you open it manually. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Claude Desktop on your computer. Once the app is open, look down to the bottom left corner of the window and click your profile name. This opens the account and app options for Claude Desktop. From the menu that appears, click Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see a sidebar on the left side of the window. Under the Desktop App section, click General. This is where Claude keeps its startup and app behavior settings. Now, look for the option labeled Run on Startup. If you want Claude Desktop to launch automatically every time your computer starts, simply turn that toggle on. If you want to stop Claude from opening at startup, turn that toggle off. That's really all there is to it. The change takes effect right away, so you do not need to do anything extra. If you enabled it, Claude will now start with your computer. If you disabled it, it will stay closed until you open it yourself. This is a great setting to adjust depending on how often you use Claude and whether you want faster access or a cleaner startup experience. So just to recap, open Claude Desktop, click your profile name, go into Settings, choose General under Desktop App, and then switch Run on Startup on or off depending on your preference. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple how-to tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.